Before we go ahead and create our repositories, one additional step on our entity is to tell the JPA provider how we are going to generate this ID. To do that, add another annotation called @generated_value from javax.persistence from the JPA API and the strategy. Strategy is equal to generation type, hit control space, generation type from javax.persistence.auto, because we already have this particular column in the database as auto increment. So we are leaving it up to the JPA to use whatever is available, which in our case is auto increment. Automatically, when we try to create this type of entity in the database, it will use this auto increment, which the database does, and assigns it a value.